Hey everyone, welcome back to the Cyber Tutor channel. In today's episode of our Cloud Security series, we're exploring one of the most important concepts in modern cloud infrastructure and DevSecOps, GitOps. If you've heard terms like Git, Kubernetes, infrastructure as code, or DevOps, then GitOps is the next concept you should understand. Today we'll learn what GitOps is, how GitOps works, why companies use it, its impact on cybersecurity, and why every cybersecurity student should learn it. Let's dive in. What is GitOps? GitOps is an operational framework where Git repositories become the single source of truth for managing infrastructure and applications. In simple terms, instead of manually configuring cloud servers, engineers store all infrastructure configurations inside a Git repository. Whenever changes are made to Git, the cloud environment automatically updates itself. Think of GitOps like having a blueprint for your entire cloud environment. If the blueprint changes, the environment automatically follows it. How GitOps works. Let's break it down step by step. One store configuration and Git infrastructure files are saved inside a Git repository. These files define things like applications, containers, Kubernetes resources, network settings, cloud infrastructure. 2. Developer makes changes. Instead of logging directly into cloud servers, engineers update the configuration files in Git. For example, deploy a new application, change firewall rules, scale a service, update container versions. 3. Changes are reviewed before deployment. Team members review the changes. Automated security scans run. CI pipelines test the configuration. Nothing is deployed until it passes validation. 4. GitOps, agent detects the change. A GitOps tool continuously monitors the Git repository. When it detects an approved change, it automatically synchronizes the cloud environment. 5. Infrastructure updates. Automatically, the cloud infrastructure updates itself to match the Git repository. This ensures the cloud always reflects the approved configuration. Why GitOps matters in cybersecurity. GitOps improves security in many ways. Version control. Every infrastructure change is recorded. You always know who made the change, what changed. When it changed was a change approval. Infrastructure cannot be modified secretly. Changes usually require pull requests, code reviews, team approval. This reduces insider threats and accidental mistakes. Good easy rollback. If a deployment causes problems, teams can quickly return to a previous secure version stored in Git. Consistent infrastructure manual configuration often causes security misconfigurations. GitOps automatically keeps environments consistent across development, testing, and production. Cybersecurity risks without GitOps. Without GitOps. Manual server changes, configuration, drift untracked modifications, human errors, difficult auditing. These issues can create security vulnerabilities that attackers may exploit. Security best practices for GitOps. To secure GitOps environments, enable multi-factor authentication, MFA, protect Git repositories with role-based access control, RBAC. Sign commits to verify authenticity, scan infrastructure as code for vulnerabilities. Encrypt secrets instead of storing passwords in Git. Continuously monitor deployments. Real-world example. Imagine a company running hundreds of applications on Kubernetes. Instead of manually updating every server, engineers update configuration files in Git. Security checks run automatically. Approved changes are deployed automatically. Every deployment is logged and auditable. This makes cloud environments more secure and easier to manage. Why cybersecurity students must learn GitOps. Understanding GitOps helps you understand modern cloud security. Learn DevSecOps practices, secure Kubernetes environments, prevent configuration mistakes, prepare for cloud security, engineer roles. Work with enterprise cloud infrastructure. GitOps is becoming a standard approach for managing secure cloud environments. Final thoughts. GitOps is changing the way organizations manage cloud infrastructure. By treating infrastructure like software code, teams can automate deployments, improve consistency, and strengthens security. As a cybersecurity student, learning GitOps gives you valuable knowledge that is highly relevant to today's cloud security careers. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Comment below. Stay curious, stay secure. See you in the next episode of our cloud security series.